Alright, this might actually be Xiaomi's most interesting phone in years because the Xiaomi 17T Pro feels like the company finally listened to what power users actually wanted. Bigger battery, flagship-level performance, Leica cameras, insane charging speeds, and somehow they still managed to keep that aggressive T-series personality alive. And after spending time checking out all the leaks, early hands-on impressions, and camera samples, I honestly think this phone is going to shake up the premium Android market in a big way. So if you're into smartphones, gaming, mobile photography, or you're just trying to figure out if this is the next flagship killer you should wait for, hit that subscribe button and drop a like because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Starting with the design, Xiaomi is clearly playing it safe but refining the formula. From the leaked renders and early previews, the phone looks very premium with flat sides, slimmer bezels, a cleaner camera layout, and honestly it gives off a flagship vibe the second you look at it. The Pro version is expected to use a metal frame while still keeping the overall weight surprisingly balanced considering the massive battery inside. And yes, the battery situation here is kind of insane because reports are pointing toward a 7,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which could easily make this one of the longest-lasting flagship-style phones of the year. Imagine getting 2 full days of usage on a high refresh rate flagship without stressing about charging. That's wild. But then Xiaomi takes it even further with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So even if you somehow kill this huge battery, topping it back up is going to be ridiculously fast. This is exactly why people love Xiaomi phones because they always push hardware harder than almost everyone else. Samsung still plays conservative, Apple focuses on optimization, but Xiaomi just goes all in with raw specs, and honestly as a tech enthusiast it's hard not to get excited about that. Now performance is where things get really serious because the Xiaomi 17T Pro is expected to pack the new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. And if MediaTek continues the momentum they've had recently, this chip could compete directly with Snapdragon's top processors while being more efficient at the same time. Pair that with 12GB RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, HyperOS 3 based on Android 16, and this thing should absolutely fly. Gaming, multitasking, editing videos, heavy camera processing, AI features, it should handle everything without even trying. Early reports are also saying thermal management has improved, which is super important because Xiaomi phones in the past sometimes got a little too hot during gaming sessions. And speaking of gaming, the display sounds incredible. Xiaomi is reportedly using a massive 6.83-inch OLED panel with up to a 144Hz refresh rate. That means super smooth scrolling, crazy responsive gaming, and just an overall flagship viewing experience. Watching YouTube videos, Netflix, TikTok, gaming, everything should look insanely fluid. Combine that with thinner bezels and higher brightness levels, and this could genuinely become one of the best displays in the T-series lineup ever. Xiaomi knows their audience. People buying these phones want maximum specs and maximum entertainment value. But let's talk about the cameras because this is where things get really interesting. Xiaomi is continuing the Leica partnership, and apparently the star of the show is the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. Multiple early camera tests are already calling this phone the telephoto master in its price range, and honestly the samples look impressive. Zoom shots have way more detail than expected, portrait mode looks natural, and Leica's color science gives photos a more professional look instead of that oversaturated fake style some phones use. The main camera is also expected to use a newer light fusion sensor with better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. And what I love is Xiaomi isn't just chasing megapixel numbers anymore. They're finally focusing on consistency across the camera system. Main camera, telephoto, video recording, portraits, all of it seems more balanced now. There's even support for advanced video modes like 8K recording, 4K at 120 frames per second, and Leica-style cinematic filters. This feels like a phone designed for content creators, mobile photographers, and people who actually care about the camera experience beyond just posting Instagram stories. Now, of course, no phone is perfect, and there are a few concerns floating around already. Some users are worried about Xiaomi's software experience because HyperOS still includes some bloatware and random pre-installed apps. Others think the pricing is getting dangerously close to true flagship territory. And honestly, that's fair because one of the reasons people loved the T-series was value for money. If Xiaomi pushes the price too high, people will start comparing this directly against Samsung Galaxy devices or even iPhones. Still, if the final price lands correctly, This could easily become one of the best Android phones to buy this year. Also, quick reminder, if you're enjoying this breakdown and want more smartphone leaks, reviews, gaming tests, and camera comparisons, make sure you subscribe right now because we've got a lot more upcoming tech content on the way, and you definitely don't want to miss it. What really makes the Xiaomi 17T Pro exciting for me is that it feels unapologetically enthusiast-focused. Huge battery, flagship processor, crazy charging, Leica cameras, smooth display, powerful gaming performance. This is the kind of phone that reminds you why Android competition matters. Xiaomi keeps pushing aggressive hardware while other brands move slowly, and even though the design changes aren't massive this year, the internal upgrades genuinely look meaningful. So should you wait for the Xiaomi 17T Pro? Honestly, if you care about battery life, performance, gaming, and camera zoom quality, this phone absolutely deserves your attention. It might not completely reinvent smartphones, but it looks like one of the most complete flagship killer-style devices Xiaomi has made in a long time. And depending on the final global pricing, this thing could end up becoming one of the easiest Android recommendations of 2026. Let me know what you think about the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Are you excited for it, or do you think Xiaomi is starting to get too expensive now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big tech review.